Let's talk about submission requirements for modular housing.
There's the CSA Z240 2.1. That is the technical requirements for manufactured homes. These are a little bit more specific. It's a building. It is a home, an entire home with a. So the one thing to keep in mind is that A277 does not provide design requirements. So it's not like another building code that tells us the minimum room sizes or if you need a window in a bedroom or whatnot. It
you know
basically
what?
tells with the speed that we need housing, these type of things, we're going to start to see more and more. And of course, it said this code applies to both site-built and factory-constructed buildings. So this makes it crystal clear that we are also in our authority under the Building Code Act to inspect factory-constructed buildings, just like anything else. When we start looking at these particular standards and how we're going to apply them. Of course, when you get an application for a building permit in, you need to see what is the manufacturer doing here? Which standard are they using with regards to this particular building permit that I have in my hands? So when you get an application in and they tell you that they meet these particular provisions, what does that mean to you? Well, it tells us in the building code that a manufactured building is deemed to comply with this code if it's designed and constructed in compliance with those particular standards.